Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Grand Mound Centralia. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Centralia, 19 miles from hands-on Children's Museum, Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Grand Mound Centralia has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi and express check-in and check-out. The property is around 9.4 miles from Southwest Washington Fairgrounds, 19 miles from Washington Center for the Performing Arts and 19 miles from Olympia Community Center. The hotel provides an indoor pool, fitness center and a 24-hour front desk. At the hotel, every room is equipped with a desk, a TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. Guest rooms will provide guests with a closet and a coffee machine. A continental breakfast is available daily at Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Grand Mound Centralia. The accommodation also provides a business center and guests can use the on-site ATM machine at Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Grand Mound Centralia. Popular points of interest near the hotel include Great Wolf Lodge, Grand Mound, Essex and Grand Mound. The nearest airport is Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, 67 miles from Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Grand Mound Centralia. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.